St. John of the Cross. Thomas à Kempis, who wrote The Imitation of Christ, the most popular devotional of all time. I have a fondness for those people, and people like Madame Guyon and Miguel Bolinos. And I've spent a lot of time studying their works. And I know that they found something. They found something. Okay? They're the real deal. But what I would like to talk to you today is not about them, not about contemplation or contemplative prayer or anything like that. I want to talk to you about something very basic, something simple, something useful, something good, okay? Something you can use right away to help you reduce stress, calm down, and be in the present moment. What I want to talk to you about today is something is called palming, or cupping your hands over your eyes. Now, when I went online, looked, I saw people use the term palming, but I like cupping, because when you say cupping, it has the idea of having your hands shaped a little bit like a cup, not very much, but a little bit. And this is it. This is so excellent. Okay, all you do is gently, very gently, put your palms over your eyes so that you can relax your eyes for a few seconds, a minute, maybe 2 minutes, like this. I'm going to do it right now. As you're watching this video and as I'm making it, I'm going to do it right now. I've just gently put my hands over my eyes. See how I do that? Very gently. You don't want to press down or anything, just very, very gently. And now just relax. As you're sitting there with your palms covering your eyes, it's like you're looking at the inside of your eyelids, like your eyelids are a big screen TV. And there's no picture on the big screen TV, just little pixels of light, little patterns of light, little white noise, or whatever you'd like to call it, little tiny pixels of light, little warm glow. So you just gently look at that. That's all you need to do. Just gently look at the inside of your eyelids with your palms over your eyes like this. And you know what? It does a lot of good things. It relaxes your eyes. One of the problems that people have is that they get a lot of tension. When they're reading, when they're studying, when they're looking at things, when they're concentrating, when they're focusing, when they're texting, when they're, studying, when they're working, they develop a lot of tension. And it's not good. So what this does is it relaxes your eyes. But you know what? It has other benefits also. The benefits are that you've heard the expression, the eyes are the window of the soul, or the windows to the soul. I can't remember which one it is, but something like that. Well, when you relax your eyes, it has a good effect on your whole body.